Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing parsley hummus along with crisps that I've made from leftover roti. So let's dive right in. I'm starting off with using a scissor to cut the roti into bite-sized pieces. Keep in mind that I've kept the roti in the fridge for a while for them to be easier to cut. In a mixing bowl, I'm drizzling some olive oil. And in the meantime, I've preheated my air fryer as well. I've added some chili powder to this and followed with some cumin powder, salt to taste, and the most important flavoring ingredient here is za'atar powder, which is a very typical Mediterranean herb. You can find it in any nearby store, and I'm going to mix that. I was not happy with the consistency here, so I'm adding in some more olive oil for it to be a paste-like consistency so that it's able to coat the rotis properly. And here we go, I'm happy with that. So now we're going to transfer the rotis into the bowl, and I'm going to gently massage them so that the mixture is coated on either side of each piece of the roti. Once that's done, I get my air fryer basket out and transfer them and let them bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Once that's baking, let's start with the hummus. So I've gotten 2 cans of chickpeas that I've drained already. If you don't have canned chickpeas, you can easily boil 1.5 cups of chickpeas. I've added 5 cloves of garlic, chili powder, cumin powder, salt to taste, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And no hummus can be complete without tahina. So I have 3 tablespoons of tahina. If you don't have them available in your nearby store, you can roast some sesame seeds and grind them into a paste, as you can see here. I'm adding in 1/2 cup of water. Now this is the base hummus, so you can easily blend this up and your hummus will be ready, but we want to spice things up, and now I'm going to be using some parsley. If you go to any Middle Eastern restaurant and if they have Beiruti hummus on their menu, this is what they're serving you with. So I'm just taking a handful of parsley, adding in some more water and blending it. I'm keeping in some parsley for later use. So now once that's blended, you can see that the parsley is given the hummus a nice green color, as well as without any use of oil, we've gotten a very smooth consistency. So now I'm transferring all of that hummus to a bowl, scraping every bit out from the blender. And smoothing it all out. Now comes the most interesting part. The parsley that we left over from before, I'm going to finely chop them and add it to the hummus and mix. This is going to give it more flavor and a nice texture as well. And now we're done. So I've garnished it with a leaf of parsley, a twig of parsley if you would call it. With the back of the spoon, I've just gently carved out a dent in the hummus, which just gives it a nice look. You can easily drizzle in some olive oil to fill in that dent. It will look really nice, but I didn't find it that required. Our roti crisps are out of the air fryer, and look at how crispy they turned out. I'm going to place them along the ends of the hummus dish, and here we are. Thanks for watching, and hope you try the recipe soon.